And Affy's founded in 1920. We're underway. Fourie Roberts with an early touch, a tall scrum off. Bullocking run by the Affy's number 2, Elwyn Janse van Vuuren. Was he crawling? It's going to be time off, but was he even touched? He lost his footing. It's going to be a consultation between Shepherd and his assistant.
Ja, vir my gelykspoed asof hy tog nie heeltemal geduik was in daardie slag nie. Maar hy dadelik weer teruggekom op sy voet en oorgeduik. Byna seker dit kan 'n 3 wees.
Yes.
Kirk trek vir hom daar uit die beweging uit as hy dan grond toe gebring word. Onmiddellik is die Affy's manne by, na die binnekant toe gespeel deur die skramskakel. Niemand raak.
The coaching staff of Rowan Jacobs and company will be very happy as Groenewald uncharacteristically misses that one to the left. His uncle is a buck. Dylan van Wyk, inches short, Nel. Luke Kent, he's been having a brilliant 2025 in the number 7 jersey.
Goeie fase deur Paul Roos. Vinnige bal vir Paul Roos hierdie keer. So byna was dit Altus Rabie wat daar oor gegaan het. Na die binnekant toe gespeel in die hande van Luke Kent vir Paul Roos se eerste 3. Vir 5 skop teë suksesvol, 2 punte die word bygevoeg, 10 punte speel 7.
Justin Swart, Kobus Versace, Bless Kemp. But also the 1999 side was a big one. Affy's on the maul again. Couple of meters short, they barge over. This Witbuller puck means business. And it's Elwyn Janse van Vuuren who gets the try.
Beweging. Gert Kemp net te laat om daardie bal dalk af te neem. Dan kry hulle die rolmaalbeweging aan die gang as daar oorgegaan word.
That's the Ruben Groenewald we know. He pierces the uprights. Manus van Leeuwen, the man from Amsterdam in the Netherlands, playing in number 4 for Paul Roos Gymnasium. Be on the front foot. Easily slotted by Matthew Seymour. Paul Roos mustn't fly up. The men from Paul Boys are there in picture. Got rid of Keenan Stoffels initially. Roberts drew Paul Roos into the offside trap there. Groenewald straight through the middle it goes. 3 more points. They reclaim their 10-point margin. And it's time for some oranges and some water. And a little bit of consultation with the coaches here in Kimberley for both Paul Roos Gymnasium and Afrikaanse Hoërseun School. And you can see the tension on the faces of the crowd and the blood. 2 more tries. And they lead Paul Roos Gymnasium by 20 points to 10 at half time. Kickoff goes 10.5 meters from Ruben Groenewald. Taken by Matthew Klein. Oh, pick and go, but lost forward. Another penalty goes the way of Paul Roos. The Affy's line under siege here. Seymour picks up the tee pretty quickly. And this time they set them all. It's a better set for Paul Roos Gymnasium. It's a penalty advantage. The backline players start joining. Look at Stefan McDonald hanging on for dear life. Here comes the Maroon Machine. We're over. And the try awarded. Paul Roos Gymnasium strikes. Gutsy by their pack of 4.
Net so goed doen soos julle. Geduld, en as hy dan momentum kry, word daar oorgeval.
Gymnasia. Will he be the hero for his adopted Polris? No. Pushes that out to the right. The lead is 2. There's 5 minutes remaining. Brilliant Affi's performance. Man of the match performance by Luan Potgieter. A flanker, number 6 from Afrikaanse Oorseenschool. Played the second half in number 24.
In die tweede helfte, maar ongelukkig moes hulle afgaan. Maar dis Afrikaans hoor wat vasgehou het aan hulle voorsprong. En hierdie wedstryd 20 punte teenoor 18 wen.
Luke